Yeah, what is up guys, it's Sam here, back with another video. So today, we're gonna be playing Pixel Car Racer again. So, lives. Yeah, down to no cook. Plus the power of the Volkswagen Mark 4. How was that a false start? Yo, so I really started when the light turned green. Tires. Oh no. Here's the Mark 4. Alright guys, I have to pause the video because I didn't want to show y'all my name. But it said good job. Good job. And then you secured it might be an old car, but a fast one. This will beat them. This is the Mark 4 Volkswagen. And I have the FR9 engine on my Volkswagen 4 in the game. Yeah, that engine broke. I can't even describe it. Let's see any good cars. Here's the other Volkswagen. Yeah, this is it. Volkswagen MK Volkswagen. I was trying to type Mark 6, but it wouldn't let me. Hold on. Go to this. Yep, this is a Volkswagen. I think the Mark 4 has less horsepower. 296 had less than 1000, but wait, what if I take off all of the things I got for the Volkswagen? $174. So yeah, this is slower than the Mark 6, which is this one. So I'm gonna be equipping all of the things from that Volkswagen to this one. The Volkswagen Mark 4 had 2.7k horsepower, and this one has 2.2k. Oh yeah, the other one had also 2.2k. But let's see in a race. with the Mark IV, I got 7.8 seconds. But with the Mark 6, let's see. This is also a rear-wheel drive. Let's see. Damn! It was the same, bruh. It was the same. So they have the same. Oh, wait, this was slower. Oh, oh wait. Oh yeah, I used the nitro. Let me use the nitro on this, and we'll see who's faster. Wait, don't. Don't be messing. Don't be messing with the Volkswagens, bro. Damn. New high score. Oh, it's slower, bro. The Volkswagen Mark IV does 300. Unequip. I'm sorry, Mark 6. I do like it a lot, but hey. I do like the Mark 6 a lot, but bro. I just hate. I hate the design that they made it. Anyway, the FR9. Do that. Get the nitro. See? And then I'm gonna lower it. So the ones I have on are these. They're not that bad. But I got them. Or one. So they have the same horsepower look. Damn, bro. Let's see here. Is there anything good to buy? Oh, wait. I have this one. 70 horsepower. VX Supreme. This is it. If I buy this, my whole money is gonna be gone. Nope. I'm not buying it. So I have the Ready PID. This is it. You can get this one, but nah. It sounds worse than this, bro. And it has less PSI. And the weight is also less. But for the engine, I have a FR9, which I can sell for 2.9 million. Which actually costs, if you buy it, 2.5 million. Or I can get this, which has the same weight, but less horsepower. But hey, not right now. Wait. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna sell it. No. More horsepower. Now I'm gonna equip that to the Volkswagen Mark 6. And I'm saying Mark 6 because this is a Mark 6. Let's hear it. Sounds like a normal. Let's do another race, guys. And this is my last race. You see Regan? Yeah. Bro, the Mark 4 is a legendary car. Hey, Mercedes, I'm sorry, but can't compete with the Mark 4 upgraded and sport. It's just too good. It's too good. What a Mercedes. Hey. Alright guys, so this was the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. See y'all on the next one. Bye. Oh yeah, next video I'm gonna be posting Roblox.